This is Tecno Camon 18p I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can connect this device to VPN. So to begin with, I'll right away tell you that in order to connect my smartphone to VPN, I'm going to use the free Play Store app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly get it. Just follow my steps. Here is the app that we were looking for. Now let's go ahead and install it. After that, we can launch the app, set it up, or basically the whole setup procedure comes to you tapping on the green continue button and you're good to go. Once you're ready to connect your device to VPN, tap on this little caret icon over here, then OK, and wait for this little rabbit to connect your phone to VPN. While connected, first of all, by looking at the status bar, we can see that the Turbo VPN designated icon is shown over here, which identifies that our phone is currently connected to VPN. So while at it, you can change the server or this country. So currently it is set to UK. I will go ahead and change it to, after I skip this little annoying ad, I will change it to, let's say, Germany. Why not? So tap over here, Germany, choose the city, wait for this cute rabbit to reconnect you, and here we have it. Once you're ready to terminate, thus close your VPN connection, tap over here at the cross sign and choose the disconnect option. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.